In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the size of an image or video. So you just import your video and it comes like this, or you just import it or you drag and drop in the timeline. And now the resolution of the video is not the same, or you have to resize it. And if you can't see effects panel, make sure you go here, Windows, Window Effect Controls, and now you have here this effect controls of this video. Make sure you select it, and then you just can increase from scale. Sorry, here you can increase the scale, increase the scale, or if you double click on the image, you can also move it in scale like this. And another way that I like to use is actually to right click, and then here I select scale to frame size, or also set the frame size. That's another way. And now from here you can simply size like this. Now a different way to resize it really fast is to go to effects. If you can't see effects here, go to window, effects, and here in the search bar write auto reframe, and just grab this and drag it onto your video and now our image, and now it auto reframes it. Saves you a lot of time. Make sure you remember to use this effect as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more. If you have any additional question or something that you are curious to know in Adobe Premiere, leave your comments down below and I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.